Right, so we've got, across period 2, we're going to look at atomic radial electron structure. Electronic structure, as I go across the period, I gain an electron each time, so I add one electron. So an electron is put into the outermost shell as I go across the period. And if I look at a group, so lithium and sodium are in the same group, they have the same, they have an electron in the same orbital each time. So lithium has S1, as does sodium has S1. So we can say for electronic structure, we know that the group number equals the number of electrons in the outer shell So the group number is the number of electrons in the outer shell, and across a period, one electron is added to each element. What can we say about atomic radii as we go across? What's that going to depend upon? Well, it's going to follow the same kind of trend as ionisation energy. When we talked about ionisation energy, what did we say happened to the atomic radius of an atom as I go across? The atoms get smaller, brilliant. So atomic radii, these decrease across a period because the number of protons in the nucleus increases. What's happening to shielding electrons? The number of inner electrons each time. Number of shielding electrons stays the same. This lithium's got 2 shielding electrons. Remember, these are inner electrons, as does neon. The outer shell. The number of shielding electrons stays the same. So that means the attraction to the nucleus and the outermost electrons is going to increase. So there is a stronger attraction between the outer electrons and nucleus. Because of that. Nuclear charge is increasing, shielding electrons, these inner shell electrons stays the same. Remember, these guys here cannot shield from each other. We talked about that last time. If they're in the same shell, they don't shield, only inner electrons shield. And that would be the same for period 2. The number of shielded electrons, which would be these guys here, the 2, 8, they always stay the same. But the atomic charge on my nucleus is going to increase as I go across a period.